All right, Kyle, you're behind barbecue. Today I'm dressed like Santa/Grinch. Today's our pit stop party. We sponsor a local race car team of Florence. He's showing up with the race car. We're putting it on the patio. Santa's gonna be here. Kyle's dressed up as the Grinch running around. And we got the fire truck. Salute. And yeah, so this will be a little behind the scenes of how everything goes down. Get ready. Is this 90s country?
So the kids can sit down as well.
Merry Christmas, Santa! Ho, ho, ho! Santa and Mrs. Claus.
Yeah! Yeah, baby!
Looking good, Santa. Mrs. Claus, how are you?
Good, good.
Good, awesome.
I love the patio.
Thank you. Race car should be here any minute. We're gonna put a race car out here. How you doing, buddy? Doing all right?
Yeah, I'm doing great. It does from the air.
Perfect.
We saw the patio from above when we landed the reindeer out in the desert.
Perfect, good. I like to hear that.
Stand up, baby. I'll go get it.
All right, I got a question.
Yeah.
Before we kick off, I do a thing called Freaky Wing Friday. Okay?
I've seen many videos.
I'm gonna cook some wings.
Okay.
I'm gonna make them charcoal, and then I'm thinking I'm gonna have you walk out the front door with the wings,
Okay.
and then let's see. I had some names. You gotta help me.
Oh, okay.
What do I call them?
Nay.
You want to call them naughty list wings?
Yeah.
Or Santa's coal wings?
Naughty list.
Naughty list wings.
Yes.
So you'll just walk up to the camera with the wing, and you'll go naughty list wings,
Like it.
and then I'll cut it and I'll show us how we made it. Then I'll be in the back as the Grinch dancing, and you'll be just whatever you want to do.
So they're blackened, right? Because you're.
Yeah.
So
It's,
then you say naughty list wings. Notice the coal.
Yeah.
Reference the coal like the black color
Perfect.
of it or something like that. 'Cause
help yourself to any drinks you want. We got you a chair. Anything else? Go inside, relax.
Good.
So backdrop's here. That's
Yep.
for Santa.
Yep.
Can I use a portion of it?
I can bring you a table up here. Can you grab a small table, Jason? One of those small ones back here. And then I'm gonna go get the wings started, and I'll come grab you. Now these are already smoked out of the smoker. Boom. Drop them. Oh, that's Jessie. I didn't introduce.
The office?
Jessie, this is our assistant manager. Her name's Jessie. Oh. He needed a cushion.
Hemorrhoids, you know what I mean?
Oh, this is Zachary. Zachariah. What's up, boys?
Right behind.
Yeah, that's my new goal for 2026. I'm recording everything. Everything. So be ready. I know how much you love it, so just be ready. No, just him. I'm not that fancy. Good segue. My buddy, Loot and Booty Barbecue, Jolly Roger Barbecue, or Jolly Roger is his rub, and it's a jalapeno garlic black rub. So coal on the chicken wings. It's fire. It's absolutely fire. They're good. So I'm gonna have Santa walk out the front door. Okay, wings, chicken wings are done at 165, not us. I'm not telling you the temperature, but there's a specific one we go to. Right, Zach? All right, we're close. Hopefully I don't catch on fire. That would suck. All right, since it's a dry rub, I'm gonna drop these. We're gonna throw some butter on this. Yeah. Butter them up. Good old Jolly Raj. All right, perfect. Just gonna rock this all day. What's up, Miss Danielle? How we doing? We awake?
Yeah.
Did we survive last night?
We did. Everyone was gone by 9 o'clock. I was in bed by 10.
Ooh,
I
10.
was like,
Yes, that's the party. That's the party. How you doing? Doing all right? How we feeling this morning?
I'm good. I'm way good.
my dad's in there saying, I'll never drink that again.
Why?
That's what I said. He said he had a headache. I was like, well, you didn't eat nothing. Come on, man. You got to eat something.
Well, he was the one that wanted some, so I brought him a jar of it. A jar of it here for him.
Good, good. Yeah, just keep messing with him. Like, yo.
I will.
Yeah.
Keep jacking him up.
Yeah.
I'll make him do it again today. Where do you want to go with it? You just want to pull it straight into the gate?
Straight into the gate. Can you drive it or should we push it?
I'm going to drive it.
Okay.
I'm not playing games, dude.
Okay.
I'm not pushing nothing.
All right. Florence gonna love. Florence gonna love that. Florence gonna love it.
Remember
Yeah.
I told you I could drive any fucking thing around.
Okay. If you can fit it can fit the dually, Big White Betty. It can fit through there.
Oh, we got it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh. Here, hold up. I don't want to get ran over. Well, hold on. Kyle can help. Work. Whoop whoop.
You got plug in around here?
Yeah. You gotta. Yeah, I got a. I'll run a extension cord for you.
Don't pat me on my back. All right.
Chat a kiss. How we doing? Hey, can I steal a tray real quick?
Oh, of course you can, boss, of course. There you are.
All right, Jolly Roger wings. I'll take that bowl. All right, let's get out of these guys' way. Sorry, sir. All right, this is behind the scenes of Freaky Wing Friday. Every Friday we do a new wing sauce, wing flavor, and yeah, and we run it for the weekend, and once we're out, we're out. That's it, buddy. Now I gotta get Santa Claus to do it, but I gotta dress up as a Grinch. All right, let me make sure he's ready. All you do is right here, I'll give you the tray, and you're just gonna walk out and go straight to the camera. Yep. I don't know if you want to take a glove off or not. Okay. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go out here. I'll start the camera. I'll give you the thumbs up when they come out. Boom.
Naughty whist. Whist?
Naughty list wings. You're good.
Did you like
No,
that?
you're good. This is good. Behind the scenes. This is good. Come straight up to the camera.
All the way.
All the way up. And then maybe grab a wing and show them. Okay.
Naughty list wings. Black is cool.
Perfect. All right, so now I'm gonna grab my mask. We're going to do a dance. So if you want to take a bite, I mean, that's up to you. I don't want you to get dirty. So you're gonna take a bite right on camera.
Right.
You're gonna just like that, and then just start doing a dance, and then I'll come out behind you and just start doing that. All right, you ready? Yeah. As soon as you eat and then you start dancing, then I'm gonna come out. Perfect, just like that. That's it. Boom. Good job, Santa.
Yeah,
Those are yours.
it was pretty good.
Yeah, anything you guys want, just yell at one of the girls. You on the good list or not a list? I'm on the good list, I think.
You're a good listener?
Yeah, I'm a good listener. That's morphine
Santa
corporate.
was really pissed at you. He did a number on you.
This is what happens when you don't listen.
It's Friday. It's my Friday.
It's your Friday?
It's my Friday, so I'm excited. You hungry? Help yourself to any food you want.
Wings.
Wings? What kind of wings you want?
Parmesan.
Parmesan garlic? 1,000 of them?
No, just like two.
Two? Just two? What?
Okay, fine.
6, 12, 24, 150, 1,000, 2,000, and then you can also do 3,500 if you want.
3,500.
3,500? Okay. It'd be about an hour. You go with that? 3,500? Okay. All right. All Parmesan garlic? You don't want to mix them up?
No, I want all Parmesan.
All Parmesan? You want ranch or blue cheese?
Cheese.
Blue cheese?
I don't like blue cheese.
Oh.
Cheese.
No blue cheese. So you want ranch?
No, I don't want ranch.
You don't want ranch or blue cheese? None of that? Zero. 3,500 Parmesan garlic wings. No ranch. What about carrots or celery?
I'll have cold carrots.
Cold carrots? What if they're like,
Okay, fine.
you good with that? Okay.
Wings, all wings.
See that girl right there?
Drums, what?
Her name's Jess. You go tell her, say I want 3,500 wings right now.
3,500? 3,500? You want me to put wings instead?
Yeah, just do 6.
Yeah. Well, I
But
figured-
create a Kyle tab. I'll take care of it.
Okay. I was just gonna go tell the kitchen.
Or you can tell them. That's fine.
You want me to start doing orders?
She's putting you in wings right now. And then after you eat,
You want ranch with those, Payton? No ranch?
Her mommy did while she was pregnant. That's all Mama wanted was.
so this is Payton. This is Miss Payton. Miss Payton, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Payton. I own the candy shop in Florence.
What's it called?
Sweet Peas Candy
So you're the
Shop.
owner of Sweet Peas Candy Shop. What kind of candy do you have there?
We have like old-fashioned candy.
Old-fashioned candies like taffy?
Yes.
Oh, how many flavors?
Like
If you had to guess.
24.
24 flavors of taffy? I think my favorite. Which one's your favorite?
My favorite is the caramel.
Caramel one? Okay, I think my favorite was the watermelon. Watermelon's good. You guys have cotton candy too, huh? Yeah? Dang. You sell other candies there?
Yes.
You have everything.
Yeah.
What's your second favorite?
My second favorite are gummies.
Gummies. Gummy bears. You like gummy bears? Sour or regular?
Sour.
Sour. Sour gummy bears. All right.
And the Smurf gummies.
And Smurf gummies? Nice. What else do you do? What else you want to tell the camera?
So I hope my mom and my grandma run the register.
Okay.
I get lots of tips.
Lots of tips. Dang, you get tips? Are you allowed to get tips?
Yeah.
Wow.
I have a tip jar.
Must be nice. This is Payton tip jar only. Don't touch or you get your hand cut off?
No, me and my mom share.
Wow, you guys share? Okay.
Correct.
Nice. And we're just celebrating your birthday, right?
Yeah.
How old are you turning?
My birthday was on Friday.
Friday was your birthday?
Yeah.
Dang. How old
I
are you?
turned 8.
8? Woo! 8 years old. You got a cell phone yet?
No.
Good. Good.
My dad.
You still your dad's? Play games? YouTube?
No.
No?
No. Look at pictures. See what he's up to.
See what he's up to. Yes. 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 Oh, I'm not holding the baby. Nope. That's not happening. No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. No, I'm not. Nope. No, I can't do that. Nope. Nope. We can take a picture right here. Who's taking it? I'll take it on my phone or your phone. Whose phone? No, I'm not holding the baby. That's not happening. Oh.
Where's your picture? Oh, I found it. Found it. It's on the side of the button.
Yeah. No, I'm not holding the baby. I can't do
We were
that.
hoping for the Grinch mess.
Oh, I put it on right now.
It's only if you want to write it shortly after that because I have the same thing.
All right, ready?
Yep, we're ready. We got the Grinch.
Perfect. Whew. It's hot.
Bring it in here.
Hey, take it home with you, Gia. No, take the cat home with you.
No, it's the neighbors.
Justin would love to have a cat.
Oh, my dog would kill it. So,
So I got a text from the bar down the street, Irish Cowboy. We always help each other out. Everybody in this whole town helps each other out. She needs to borrow some buns. About 30. Thank you. All right. So we're going to make a run. Let's make a run. All right, let's go for a walk. I'll drive back Tuesday. Hopefully they're open, huh? Sorry, guys. I got a text saying you needed buns.
Thank you.
Sorry. Where would you like this? Yes.
I'll take them.
Awesome. Thank you. Cardinals don't play till I think 2. Cowboys play Thursday. Yeah, no. That's why I'm just like, eh. Philly? I don't think they play till later.
Company Christmas party outside, and that was one that was tough because it was warm.
Yeah.
And the sun was beating down on everybody, but it was great. They gave presents to every single employee's kid.
That's awesome.
yeah.
They had a U-Haul, and I was wondering why they had a U-Haul, and it was full of presents.
Toys, full of gifts.
That's awesome.
Amazing.
I think you got a couple of them coming.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Hello there. Hi. Hello.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.